Hello, students. Do you know that the road of success and the failure are almost exactly the same? But the secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. So, dear students, be positive and be successful. Good morning to all of you, and I welcome you all to today's class. Today, we are going to learn how to make a poster. This is probably the last chapter for our annual term, and I hope you will take interest in this particular topic which we are going to learn today. First of all, we will know about a poster. Posters were, we are talking about earlier time, posters were a conventional medium to convey information to the target to audience. But in the modern days, posters have been turned into an effective marketing strategy that grabs the attention of people towards the event. Related to the business, a creative poster design for products or services, prices, and other business developments can even convert viewers into potential buyers. Posters are now a cost effective medium for promoting a business. Many marketers launch poster campaign to advertise their newly introduced products or services. They also announce some attractive price reductions using a poster. Since small business look for cutting their cost on advertising and marketing, posters are their favorite tool to grab the customer's attention. You might have seen, students, that nowadays, whenever a person is starting any business or starting an institution or anything, something educational, some shops, some offices, everywhere, they put a poster, attractive posters to grab the attention of the people. So posters are having great importance in today's era. One of the key elements in designing of a poster is their different sizes. Poster designs come in a wide variety of sizes, but common sizes are 8.5 by 11 inch letter and 11 by 17 inches by 34 inches. There are also larger formats in 24 by 36 inches. So these are the format where the posters are made. While posters are commonly designed with a vertical orientation, they are also designed horizontally or vertically. Posters can be cluttered or straightforward. If too many colors, fonts, images, or animated figures are involved in conveying information or message, it confuses the viewers. But an experienced designer prefers only a few elements so that the viewers can focus on the message. Sometimes, in order to uh, make the poster very attractive or very gorgeous, we used to put a lot of colors, a lot of designs over there. So sometimes what happens that the viewers or the people get confused or they are distracted from their ways, and the actual message does not reach to the common people. So it should not be very attractive, or it should not be of many colors or something. It should be catchy, but it should not be uh, too much gorgeous. The power of posters in generating awareness on an issue or conveying a brand message and luring the audience into buying products or services is immense. This can be gauged from some inspirational poster designs and amaze us with their creative skills. After we have some inspiration to do something creative, we are ready to design a poster that stands out. I'll be sending you some one or two pictures of poster making, which will be suitable for the school students. How the students should make a poster, and then homework will be also given. Here are some essential tips that we should follow while designing a poster. A poster should be readable from a distance. May possible that every time people cannot go closer to read a poster. It should be neat and clean, and the letter should be big enough so that it could be readable from a distance. Second one, some contrast should be created, like some lines of contrast should be put in the poster. The location should be considered. The location to put a poster should be seen properly. The poster should be spectacular or visual. There should be one B. It must stand out. The poster should be scalable. It should look equally effective in its mini version. So the scale should be made properly so that in mini version also it could be seen, because sometimes we may lack space to put a big poster. So in mini version also it should be effective. A big image should be used. A visual should be selected carefully. Image should be big. The visual effect should be there, created over there. Good use of space should be used. It will make the poster easily readable. As we are talking about the space should be seen properly. Attention should be paid to call to action. It is an integral part of any advertisement design. Okay. Then typography should be explored. It is a key element that can make a poster look outstanding. Typography gives a personality to the design. It makes the poster bigger, broader, and bolder. Then the 10th point is printing techniques should be considered. There are printing techniques such as screen painting, letterpress, use of UV layers, or foiling that can be tried out. The printer should be able to make the prints of the required size. Printer should be good. The design should be enjoyed. Poster design is the place where the designer can experiment a lot and have fun. This is the design through which we can entertain the viewers with illustration, funny images, cartoons, vintage elements, loud colors, and typography. Plenty of crazy things could be done with a design. The conclusion is, creative poster design is the one that can convey a message to its audience in a unique way. The use of colors, images, illustrations should stand out. Other factors such as scalability and readability of the poster should also be considered. Moreover, the foremost thing is that the posters should be catchy. This word is very common nowadays, the word catchy. The poster should be catchy, should be attractive. People should immediately look at the poster and go through it. Otherwise, your purpose of making a poster is of no use. Students, this note I have prepared for you, which I have read for you. So I have made to prepare 2 questions for you as homework. This is of your level actually. Make a poster showing your daily routine. You may draw on a chart paper that what you do every day. Not now, not during pandemic. When you go to school, when you have had your offline classes, regular classes, that time what was your uh, daily routine? And it will be very soon again start the new session, so that you will prepare a poster. And another one is show your love and affection towards nature with the help of a poster. How can you love nature? In what all ways you can show your love and affection towards nature? That you will show through a poster, because this is of your level as a school student. So dear students, this is all about a poster making. I hope you have understood that what all things are made, what all things are required to make a poster. Although it is not so uh, easy to teach poster making through video, but still I have tried my best to convey the things to you. I hope you will get benefits out of it. This is enough for today's class, dear students. Going to wind up. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.